Hi, I'm MSUVOT, and in this tutorial you'll be seeing how I shade in an anatomical skull drawing. This demonstration uses only a number 2 pencil, eraser, tissue, and napkin to create the shading effects. This source image is from the Anatomy 3D Atlas app for iPad, and this is our end result. The goal is to get a fully shaded drawing with textures. The rest of this video is in a time-lapse format, so the videos are sped up. In step 1, you'll see me dust in pencil using graphite patch and a tissue to apply a light value to the skull. In step 2, I'm going to be darkening the entire eye socket. So take a look at the video and let me know what you think in the comments. In this next part, I like to use my eraser to use a subtractive method of drawing, so I can erase away the light shapes that I need to see in the eye socket and around the skull. Then I add back in darker values where I see them in the reference photo. As you develop the work, look for details like little cracks, little holes, dark spaces in between teeth, etc., and draw them in. Try your best to match the reference photo and pay attention to details, pay attention to the light and the shadows. Your ultimate goal in your drawing is to get your outlines to disappear so the skull looks completely three-dimensional. How did you do? How closely were you able to match the shading that you see in this drawing? I hope you had a great time trying to make your skull three-dimensional.